Tired of cheap dashcams that miss important moments on the road? Wondering which dashcam truly delivers on quality and reliability? We've got you covered with the top 5 dashcams that blend technology, security, and performance. Number 5. Vantru N4 Pro. The Vantru N4 Pro stands out with its incredible 3-channel recording system, capturing front, rear, and inside the vehicle in stunning 4K and 1080p resolution. With Sony Starvis 2 sensors, night vision is crystal clear even in low-light conditions. It features a built-in GPS for real-time speed and location tracking, plus a 24-hour parking mode with motion detection. The N4 Pro also supports up to 512 GB of storage and uses a capacitor instead of a battery for better heat resistance. With voice control functionality and seamless loop recording, it's built for both everyday use and extreme road conditions. If you want full protection from every angle, especially useful for rideshare drivers, this dashcam is a great value for its price and performance range. The included G-sensor ensures important footage is locked and safe, making it an all-around powerhouse. Number 4. Red Tiger F77V2. The Red Tiger F77V2 is engineered for drivers who demand high resolution and reliability. It records in 4K Ultra HD from the front and 1080p from the rear, delivering sharp, clear images no matter the conditions. The Sony IMX335 sensor ensures superior night vision, while the built-in Wi-Fi and GPS allow you to connect the dashcam to your smartphone for quick access and location tracking. What's more, the F77V2 features a supercapacitor, making it more durable in extreme heat or cold. The parking monitor activates automatically when motion or impact is detected, providing peace of mind when you're not around. With loop recording, emergency video lock, and wide dynamic range, this dashcam is both intelligent and user-friendly. Ideal for commuters and families alike, it ensures every trip is protected from unexpected surprises. Number 3. Vofo A229 Pro. The Vofo A229 Pro is a triple-channel dashcam designed for serious users who want maximum detail and control. It supports 4K plus 2K plus 1080p resolution using cutting-edge Quad HD technology, ensuring every angle, front, inside, and rear is crystal clear. Equipped with Sony Starvis 2 sensors and HDR, this dashcam performs brilliantly at night. It also includes voice notification features, GPS tracking, and built-in dual-band Wi-Fi for fast file transfers. The A229 Pro is powered by a capacitor for better durability and longevity, especially in hot climates. It comes with a user-friendly app, supports up to 512 GB microSD cards, and includes an advanced parking mode with buffered motion detection and time-lapse. With its smart features and ultra-widespide lenses, the Vofo A229 Pro is perfect for those who want a fully connected and protected driving experience with top-notch video evidence in any scenario. Number 2. Garmin Dashcam Live. The Garmin Dashcam Live offers something unique: live monitoring and real-time alerts thanks to its built-in LTE connectivity. You can remotely view your vehicle's surroundings from anywhere using the Garmin Drive app. It records in crisp 1440p with a wide 140-degree lens, ensuring excellent day and night footage. The dashcam also includes forward collision warnings, lane departure alerts, and even speed camera warnings, bringing ADAS features to a compact device. Built-in GPS and automatic cloud backup keep your footage secure, even in worst-case scenarios like theft or accident. The Dashcam Live supports 24/7 live view and location tracking, making it ideal for both personal and business vehicles. Voice control adds hands-free convenience, while its discreet design fits seamlessly on your windshield. If you want real-time vehicle security and smart driving alerts, Garmin's Dashcam Live is the answer. Number 1. Vantru N5. Sitting at the top of our list, the Vantru N5 redefines what a premium dashcam should be. This all-in-one 4-channel system captures everything: front, rear, cabin, and even the vehicle's side views, all in ultra-clear 4K plus 180p quality. It features the newest Sony Starvis 2 sensors, advanced night vision, and cutting-edge AI to detect lane departures, forward collisions, and even driver drowsiness. The N5 is equipped with built-in 5 GHz Wi-Fi and GPS, allowing for lightning-fast downloads and precise route tracking. With its supercapacitor power system, it thrives in extreme temperatures, and the 24/7 surveillance mode uses radar motion sensors to conserve power while staying alert. You can store up to 1 TB via external memory, making it ideal for long hauls and commercial use. If you're looking for the most advanced, all-inclusive dashcam in 2025, the Vantru N5 is your ultimate choice. Choosing the right dashcam can make all the difference in keeping your journey safe and secure. These 5 dashcams lead the pack in 2025 for innovation, clarity, and protection. If you found this video helpful and informative, please hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and share your thoughts in comment section below. Thank you.